people begin to ask for sanctions or for us to moderate what happens on social media because there are some people who use it irresponsibly.
Yes.
I hope that, and he doesn't look like it anyway, I don't think I need to tell him that he won't be cowed or be intimidated by the threats, but he would actually go along and ahead to get to the bottom of this matter.
Even though that is not mentioned in any part of the Bible. Hey guys, once again, welcome back to this platform. You know, since VDM released a tape of Bobrisky defaming Falana, or allegedly defaming Falana, yeah, the Falana or the falanas family, the case has not gone down. The case is still in existence. A lot of things have been popping out. A lot of things have been cutting across all the social media. And there was a video trending. I did that video before. That Falana also came out. The SAN and Falana came out to talk about the issue that he is going to seek legal counsels, or he's going to petition against VDM. I don't know why he is putting VDM, not including Bobrisky as a whole, just VDM, because he feels like VDM was the one that spread the news and all those stuff. He came to say he's going to seek legal action against VDM, or he's going to sue him for criminal offenses or criminal whatever because they are lawyers. I'm not a lawyer, so that's what he is about to do. But right now, you see, he mentions something and he states something that his daughter, people are threatening his daughter. A lot of threats has come to his daughter. That's the main reason why he wants to take up the case. Now, VDM also came to talk about the issue that he doesn't know anything about threatening somebody's life. Is not part and parcel of those wrongdoings, so he's going to help with any case. If in case they have to share their Instagram handles, then they will check the routines, check landmarks, and see whether they can trace those culprits. So that's what is currently happening. But the main reason why I'm talking about this is that the Arise News also shared their own opinions on the reasons and the decisions that they're supposed to take, and the whole things that is happening in this thing. And the main case is corruption. What the case is corruption in the industry, in the Nigerian sector, the EFCC, the correctional service, and a whole lot of things. That's the main thing that they might look up to, not putting the case on VDM or Bobrisky. Yeah, indeed, Bobrisky must go to jail. She have to serve the jail time as they are talking about, but not putting the case as is VDM and Bobrisky. No, the case should be either be corruption in the industry, in the EFCC, or in the correctional service. That's how the case must be. Let's listen to their opinions on the matter.
People begin to ask for sanctions or for us to moderate what happens on social media because there are some people who use it irresponsibly.
Yes.
I hope that, and he doesn't look like it anyway, I don't think I need to tell him that he won't be cowed or be intimidated by the threats, but he would actually go along and ahead to get to the bottom of this matter. But even deeper than that are some of the accusations that have come forth. It's interesting that unfortunately these matters have now distracted from the meat of the story, which is the corruption in the Nigerian correctional service, that we should investigate further beyond just this issue between VDM and Mr. Femi Falana. Are the bigger issues that video unveiled. That is what we should not be distracted by these stories. We should make sure we face that.
I think we've not been distracted. The Minister of Interior set up a committee to be able to investigate. Inaugurated the committee a couple of days ago. We want to see the end.
Yes.
Also, the Minister, I have a question for you. The person that works, or the people that you suspended in the prison service, Mr. Minister, they said your suspension was social media. I feel that's a real affront. That's an indictment. That's an insult on your position. And if you do not take action, it smirks of everything wrong with Nigeria. So please, we also want those matters to be addressed.
Yes.
Most importantly, VDM has also released another tape yesterday where Bobrisky was still repeating those allegations. I think, Mr. Falana, you also have to include in your suit for this defamation Bobrisky. Because I think apart from VDM, Bobrisky also needs to come to the court and repeat most of these things as it is said in this tape. I thought
he has
Bobrisky
denied all the allegations.
No, it's not a case of denying.
Didn't he deny?
People can deny allegations from here, but as long as you have an empirical tape, which can be subjected to forensic evaluation also, it needs also to be called forward for all these conversations.
Needs to come out. Yeah,
so I think you also need to join him in this suit. And for those that go and make all sorts of threats, please, I beg you, stop it. Because all Mr. Falana has to do is to be able to pick up your IP address from those messages you made. And they will trace you to the house. Police know where you are staying. It's not the one you'll be coming on social media, I'll be crying, I'll be begging. I was just joking. He will not see it as joke then, because when they come and catch you people now, that's why you know how to beg. You will be begging from today and tomorrow and be saying, no, when you were making the threat, you did not know it was very hurtful. We totally condemn your action and don't do it.
It's the
for those that go out to assault people and do all sorts of, do not do it. They will catch you. There's no anonymity on social media. They will find you, they will get you, and you will face the full wrath of the law.
They will find you. It's the irresponsible use of social media.
You are not anonymous, so don't deceive yourself.
And then we move to the next story.
No. The point is that, look, we're in the age of digital footprint. So we should not hide under the anonymity that social media ostensibly provides to threaten people. When you threaten people, it's a felony. You are committing an offense. You have no right under the laws of Nigeria to say you will kill somebody for any reason whatsoever. You have no right to say you will burn somebody's office down. Arson. Attempted arson is in itself a felony. Well, that's why I said it's not everybody you threaten. Mr. Femi Falana, SAN, Falana and Falana chambers, they know more than enough law to know that, if you try them, they will come after you.
It was a giggle for me.
And there will be more than enough justification. Now, he was the one saying these people are mentally deranged. Okay, if they are mentally deranged, in fact, they will have to prove it in the court of law. You have to say, well, you have a mental problem for you to have committed a particular felony. And even that will be subjected to investigation by the court of law, forensics, as appropriate.
Absolutely.
So people should just learn a lesson. This social media frenzy, everybody imbecile goes on social media to mouth nonsense and to malign people. No, there are limits to individual freedoms.
Absolutely.
No freedom is absolute. Don't say I'm an activist, I'm this.
Then you're allowed to defend
then I can talk anyhow. I have one miserable phone.
All right, guys, so that is Arise News journalists. That's their consent on the matters, and even the suspension that they give to the head officer or the senior officer in the correctional service center was just a social media suspension, as they were saying. So that is, I don't know how I'm going to put it, but it's not saying a good thing about the Nigeria or the federal government. No, that is a bad name attached or tarnishing the image of Nigeria. So the journalist says that must be taken up, and a whole lot of things must be taken up. And also, there are some Nigerians, they are sharing their opinions, and they are what? Deeply distressed, and some has what? Lose their respect for the falanas, because they can't just take far. They say like the whole issue is like, it's indeed Falana knows something about the issue, because even though he said that the Bobrisky actually contacted his son, that means you know something about the case. So I'm not going to sit here to say that maybe he doesn't have any idea of what is happening. If it is such, then that's a bad record, because I know the falanas, or like I've read their story and what they are made up of. Not that. But so we're going to listen to one man that categorically stated that the falanas has lost their respect, and he can't just figure out what is actually happening in the Bar Association of Nigeria. It seems some of the SAN or some top judges are doing some crooked things that must not be done, because doing some kind of things are not needed. If it is jail, it is jail. You don't have to write any pardon or do anything of that sort. Let's listen to this man and see his own opinions on the matters.
You are asking somebody to meet you in court when your own brother, a lawyer, has openly accepted to have a knowledge of a conspiracy to commit crime against Nigerian prisons. Your brother has accepted to confess knowledge of a conspiracy to commit a crime at the EFCC. And you are now saying, meet us in court. Where did Falana, where did you get your certificate from? For many years, that Femi Falana was snubbed and omitted from the list of the SAN of Nigeria. We had the belief that he was being maltreated because of his association with Fela Ransom Kuti. And the federal government always come out fighting that SAN is only by merit. It is not a chieftaincy title. That who can lead or any of Babi only lost on Oba Shaki goes off with Mope Doba, Afun Eloba. Only for anything, Doba will buy back as long as you have money. The federal government insisted that SAN position is only by merit. So eventually, when Femi Falana became an SAN, we now believe, okay, he's already got the merit to become the SAN. But the issue that is perambulating now, that is refusing to go, is making me to wonder, did he deserve the SAN, or was he purchased? Let me tell you why I'm asking this question. I'm asking this question based on what his children over this bobrisky issue have said. One of his children, Folakemi, said, meet us at in the courthouse. Ejo, did she actually qualify to be a lawyer? Or it was given, or it was bought? Because, we now know that it is easy to buy pardon from the presidency. So, did she buy a certificate, or did she actually go to school? And was she actually called to the bar? Then, if it is true, then shame on Nigerian Bar Association. It is unfortunate because I know good lawyers. I want to be lawyer Alfredo Adeboke, Akodowajo Adajo. I want to be lawyer Adetula. I want to be lawyer Adekunle Ayemoyo. I know good lawyers. Toba MBA, Nigerian Bar Association, then it's a shame. Tori, I know that when you have already accepted to have a knowledge of a crime being committed, it is conspiracy. We have problem in Nigeria. Most of you are saying we want to go and demonstrate. Falz, Falana, were one of the people spearheading protest. Meanwhile, they will be leading.
So that is his opinion on the matters, guys. You can see that this whole issue with very dark man, the EFCC, the Correctional Service, Bobrisky, and falanas has gotten one heated in Nigeria now. Where are there other cases that the House of Reps, the state governors, the federal government have to sit down to deliberate on the issues, how to fix the economy, how to fix the road, how to fix the public schools, how to face a lot of things in the society, once they are sitting down to deliberate on the VDM, Bobrisky, and all those cases, and it's a lot way. It's distracting everything, all the attentions. But you see that this case is actually a huge one, and I think it's not going to finish today. What do you think about all the issues? Do you think the falanas know something about the issue, or you think VDM is just actually distracting a whole lot of things in the Nigeria society? What about you think? Just drop your opinion in the comment section. Thank you for watching this channel.